Okay, for the third part, we have the parametric equation. So, ang pinapahanap po dito sa parametric equation is the derivative of y with respect to x and the second derivative of y with respect to x, both. Okay? So, paano nga yung process natin dito? So, ang way para makuha natin si first derivative is we simply have the dy dx as part of the dy, derivative of y with respect to time, divide by the derivative of x with respect to time. Makakancel yun. And you'll have the y prime. So, bakit with respect to time? Because your x and y are both with respect to, or as a function of time. So, ngayon, pag derivative natin si x, we differentiate it with respect to time para simple derivative na lang tayo. So, ang t squared is simply 2t. While ang derivative of y naman with respect to time, 1 plus or 0, derivative ng 1 is 0, is 0 plus 1. So, we simply have 1. Okay. Then, pag sinubstitute natin dito, ang dy dt natin is 1. Ang dx over dt natin is 2t. So, this is the first derivative. Okay? So, ngayon, ang formula natin to get the second derivative naman, if you're going to recall, the second derivative of y with respect to x both. Okay? So, we differentiate the result, the derivative of y with respect to x, ng with respect to t. We differentiate it with respect to t. And then, para makancel si dt, so we have dt over dx. Therefore, dalawang beses na siya na differentiate. Then, you can cancel this dt. Okay? So, ang kailangan natin ngayon is this as the first derivative. Itong first derivative, pwede ko siyang i-write as 1/2 factor out the constant. Ito, t raised to 1 magiging t raised to negative 1. So, bakit? Kasi mas madali po yung differentiate. Pag dinerivative natin to, kasi we have to differentiate it with respect to time eh. So, we factor out 1/2. Derivative of t raised to negative 1 is negative 1. T raised to negative 1 minus 1. Okay? So, yan yung derivative ng first with respect to time, and then we multiply it by the reciprocal of dx over dt. So, instead of 2, the reciprocal niya is 1 over 2t. Okay? So, ito, this will be negative 1 or negative t na lang. T raised to negative 2 over times 1 as is yun. All over, we have 2 times 2t, we have 4t. Ito, pwede natin ibaba to make it positive. So, matitira sa taas si negative 1, binaba natin si 4t, tsaka si positive na yung we have t raised to positive 2 na. So, ang kalalabasan, ang resulting second derivative pala natin is negative 1, 4t raised to 3. So, yun yung kinalabasan natin na okay, so that's negative 1 over 4t cubed. Yun yung ating magiging second derivative. Okay, so now, the second question with respect to the parametric one is, sabi dito, find the equation of the tangent line. So, remember, pag hinahanap ay equation ng tangent line, remember this, y minus y sub 1 is equal to mx minus x sub 1. So, because we're looking for the equation of tangent line. Okay, so whatever line that is, so we can use the y minus y sub 1 equal to mx minus x sub 1. So, sabi dito ay find the equation of the tangent line to the curve defined by the equation when, so, at time equal to 1, so, ano na daw yung equation ng tan line? Ang formula ng y natin is t squared minus 2. Well, ang x naman natin is 1 plus t. So, first, makukuha natin si x sub 1, y sub 1 by using this. So, ang y sub 1 natin, papalitan lang natin yung binigay na time. So that will be 1 squared minus 2. So 1 minus 2 is still negative 1. Well, yung x naman natin, 1 plus t. So 1 plus sabi after 1 second. Therefore, the answer will be 2. Okay? So, yun yung x sa ban mo ngayon. So, ngayon, pwede na natin substitute. Y minus ang y sa ban mo is negative 1 is equal to m x minus x sub 1. In that case, our x sub 1 is 2. Okay? So, ito pwede natin is y plus 1 is equal to mx minus 2. So, ang kulang na lang natin si slope. But remember, ang slope po natin is equal to the first derivative. Okay? So, since we're talking about parametric, edi this will be dy over dt all over dx over dt. So, derivative ni y with respect to time over derivative ni x with respect to time. At time equal to 1 second, don't forget. Okay. So, kunin na natin derivative ni y. So, ang derivative ni y, lagay ko dito, ito. So, ang derivative ni y, kung ang y is t squared minus 2, so that will be 2t. Okay? Tapos, ang dx, 1 plus t. So, 0 plus 1, yan yung derivative niya. So, the answer here is 2t. At ang t natin ay 1, 2t, or 2 times 1, that is simply, we have slope na equal to 2. So, makukuha na natin. So, substitute natin. Substitute the slope equal to 2. So, this will be y plus 1 equal to 2 times x minus 2. Kasi ang slope mo this time is 2 na. So, distribute lang natin. 2x times 2 times x, you have 2x, 2 times negative 2, you have negative 4. So, ilipat natin. We have y plus 1 minus 2x plus 4 equal to 0. Ito yung nilipat natin doon. Okay, so magkakaroon tayo y minus 2x, 1 plus 4 is 5 equal to 0. So, ito na po yung equation ng ating tangent line. Okay?